Okay, now we continue lesson 4, creative drawing. Okay, so first, if you still have space, okay, open a new page. Okay, new lesson, new page. In the middle of the page, give it one dot. Left, okay, right. Then you connect the dot. Top, bottom, connect the dot. Okay, then you have your 4 boxes. Next lesson, I will name it color with one direction. Okay, color with one direction. How we do it? Okay, it's like this. So first, in the middle, put a one dot. Put one dot here. Okay, I can make it so you can see clearly. Put one dot here, and then here you need to get the 4 direction first. Okay, so you have this 4 direction. Then you need to color it. Okay, color it with what? So you have learned this primary color. Okay, we'll use this red, blue, and yellow. And then you will use this secondary color, which is a mix of the primary color. Okay, yellow and blue, then we will get green. If you mix blue with red, then you will get a purple. Yellow and red combine and become orange. Okay, so this is how we get the secondary color. And then after these two, you need to use this as well, tertiary color. Okay, this is a what? Primary color plus secondary color is tertiary color. This third type of color. Okay, so this third type of color is yellow green, which is a green color combined with yellow color. So you get a yellow green. Yellow orange is like a yellow combined with the orange. So it's always the primary color combined with secondary color. Primary color combined with secondary color, then you will get a tertiary color. Okay, so all this is the tertiary color. So we will use these 3 type of color. Okay, and then let's get this color first. Okay, so I will use this field color. Okay, red, yellow, and orange, and then I will get these 3 color, another 3 type of color, blue and purple, blue and purple. Okay, so you notice what is the relationship between these 2 type of color? A blue, a purple, a dark blue, and a red, yellow, and orange. What is the relationship between them? Think about it. Yes. One is the ice, the cold. And then one is red like the fire, the warm. Okay? The cold and the warm. So next thing you need to learn is this. Cold and warm color. So here these 3 represent this part, the warm color. And this part, it will cover it with this cold and warm color. Okay? So you will learn this, you will do with this cold and warm color today. Together with these 3 type of color. Primary, secondary, and tertiary. Okay? So now let's get started. So how we're going to start? From here, what we can do is you can draw a soft line here. Okay, then you can draw you can make it 8 direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, so you can have your 8 direction first. It's better you can get this. And then this one is better to hit here. Okay, it's not so good to be hitting here. Okay, so to be more accurate, start from the end to the end. Okay, so you have your 8 direction. Then now how we start it? We can make it like we start with one blue, one cold and one warm color. Okay, so how we can start? We can start like this. For instance, this is facing here, facing up, so we start coloring it like this. This is facing here, so we start like this. You can draw 4 lines, you can draw 5 lines. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 if you want. Okay, then you can change with a darker color. Okay, you can add on this one for the in between of this light, medium, and dark and darker. So you can go for the second one. You can draw longer, okay, but make sure you follow the angle. If this one go here, then we go like this. This one go up, then we go that. Okay, then you can change again. Go up, go there. Then you can change again. Getting wider, you can make that. See? Getting more and more light. Okay, and then you can have a repeat. Or how you want to do it, okay? Depend on you. You are the artist here. Okay? Then until you reach the edge of the box. The important is follow the angle. Okay, so this one is considered done. Then we're going to mix it. Then you can mix with the cold and warm color. So we start here. Okay, repeat it. Do this. Follow the edge. If you go here, you go there. Then you can okay. And then for this one, for instance, you have to finish it all until the edge. Then I just make you an example here. So actually here, after you've done all, then here you have one slot again. So you can have another line here, another line. Until you finish it out. So for this one, you can play around with the color you have here now. What if you want to make it red? Start with the dark color. Then you go for the orange. Then you go for the blue. Then you go for the yellow. Then you go for the blue. Then you go for the little blue. Okay, you can play around with the color, the sequence as you like. So what if I want to start with red, 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 then I want to mix it with a lighter blue, red and blue. Right, it can be done. Okay, so for red, then I'm going to make this. Then I want to mix it with my orange color. We want to use is cold and warm. So you're free to explore the cold and warm. For instance, here in between, maybe you say I want to make a cold line here. So you can emphasize a cold, just cold color here. For here, maybe you say I want to have a warm color here. So you can have just the orange and red and yellow, right? Just to create that warm feeling. It's all on you how you want to mix it up. Okay, until we finish. Until you can do it until you finish the full of this box, okay? I already got a variation of different parts, okay? For this one, I can show you a finished version of different parts, okay? This is just one type of drawing, okay? Later you can explore with different, okay? What about this one? This is also another type of using the same color, but the placement of the coloring is different. What I say is the pattern. The coloring pattern is different, so we have a different feeling. And this one is another feeling, okay? So explore and be creative. Do your own style, okay? With this color with one direction, okay? That's it. Let's try it now. Okay, if you're done with this, then we can go for your next exercise, okay? For this exercise number 2, we call it basic shape plus what you have learned here. Yes. Color with one direction, okay? Box it. So from here, what we want to do is with the basic shape, then I want you to apply the color with one direction, what you have learned here, into new drawing here, okay? So let's get started. What is the basic shape we have? Okay, yes, we have a circle. Okay, I give you some example. Then what we have box, a square. Okay, then what we have triangle. Then we have this is the basic shape I would like to cover. Okay, hexagon, square, triangle, circle. Okay, so when you choose your basic shape, once you draw it up, the next thing you need to do is divide it. Okay, so how I want to do it? Divide is like you want to cut the cake. It's different part. Cut it. So how I want to cut it? You can cut it in the middle. Okay, like this one. You can cut it out. Okay. Okay, then you have a few. Oh, in here, you can cut it randomly, okay? Not necessarily always in the middle. You can cut it here, right? Different middle, different pivot point, okay? You can cut differently. And then third, you can just a random cut, okay? You can try this. Random cut. Okay? Then here, we can cut also, randomly cut. Okay? To keep it simple, you may find out and cut how many lines for each of it. 1 line, 2 line, 3, 4. Okay? To keep it simple, you can cut 1, 2, 3, 4. You can just cut 4 lines. Okay? This one is even more simple. Okay? Don't make it too simple. Add one more. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, cut it 4 times. Of course, you can cut more. Then you'll be more complicated. Okay? More different part, more small part. Okay? But for the beginning, we learn with the basic. Okay? We can just cut it with 4. So with these 4 parts, okay, what we can do here? Then we use the cold and warm color. Okay, so now how we do it? What we need to do is follow the lesson you have learned here. Now we want to apply it. So color with one direction. That means you want to color it with one direction. So for here, you can color with one direction. Maybe you want to do it like this. Okay, then this one. How about we have a jump because we have a cold and warm, right? So you can do, right? And then for here, maybe not necessarily follow the line, but you just need to follow one direction. So one direction, that means you can do this, one direction, right? Then you can change the direction, but still with one direction, okay? Then this one, you can go back to blue again, one direction for few line, then another for few line, then another for few, okay? Then you can go back to what we have learned before about the line. Still remember? Yes. Thin and thick line. You can apply that. Okay, how we apply that? For instance here. Okay, for this one, all is if I put another line, then you can see which one is thin and which one is thick. If I want to make it thick, then straight away the line I put before is a thin line, so you can have a contrast here. Okay, thin and thick line, you can apply that. Okay, now again, this one you can do. Then I don't want it to be too. I want to add some more color into it. Okay, and then this one I just want to keep it simple, just like this. And this one I want to make it something like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then combine with this. 1, 2, 3. Okay. And this one is so hard to see. I want to add some more. Okay. Then you have done this first one. This is how we train basic color, basic shape, and then we color with one direction. Okay. Okay, I'll show you one more example. Okay, for instance, this one also. It's the same. This one, then we combine. Then this one, we can go for. Then the top part, then you can go different direction. Okay, now you can talk about this. You can use this 4 basic line. Okay, horizontal, vertical, diagonal, curve line. No, one more. How about curve line? Okay, you can try it out. Okay, let's try it out with curve line. Okay, how about with curve line we combine different color? different thing. So we want to do one curved line here as well. Then I want to mix it up with blue. This is what? This is another line we want to cover is the broken line, okay? Broken line and solid line. Solid line is the line we normally draw. Broken line is this, okay? The line is broke down, okay? This is nice. I want to make a reverse of it. Then you add a red dot, broken line. Okay, to see clearly, let's do it again, okay? This line again, one direction. Then you can add, this time I want to add a darker dot. Broken line. You have this kind of effect. Okay, what about this one? Mix it up. Okay, then this one I want a straight line, and this one, then you can add on a dotted line, a broken line on it. Then this one I want to make a curved line like this, curved line like this. Then I add another curved line correspond with it. Yeah, different part, play around with it. Okay. Now you can try it out. Okay, basic shape plus color with one direction.